writing down this poetry until the day I die.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be filming a I always seem to forget like what we're filming right when I start filming. A recreating albums cover challenge thing. So I've seen this a few times on TikTok. I'm not sure who the original creator was who like thought of the idea first. Credit to them. This is not my idea. It's just a challenge that I thought I would give a go. Got our boba. I tried doing brown sugar milk tea. It looked really pretty and then it just all fell to the bottom. So get comfy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. And yeah, so let's get right on to this video. I've got 4 album covers that I'm going to be recreating really dodgily actually. I'm not a professional at taking photos, so this is gonna be pretty funny. A lot of this will be mainly Photoshop. They might turn out really bad, we don't know, we'll see. So we're gonna be creating some iconic albums. First one we're going to be creating is Tyler the Creator's album cover Flower Boy. I've seen a fair few people do this. It's a pretty iconic album cover. I actually don't have a green hat. That's what we're going to be recreating right now. For this one, we're not in the right like outfit, don't you reckon? This is not the correct attire, so let me just So we got our Tyler the Creator look. Got a Tommy Hilfiger shirt with a bubble tea stain on it. Mom jeans. Don't have a hat, so we're just gonna work with that. With this one, he's just standing with his arms crossed and just kind of looking off into the distance. That was my phone.
So most of these I've done on the app PixArt because like it's the best. With this one, I wish I stood further away and turned my back a bit more so that it looked more realistic, but I did what I could. This was definitely, I think, the best one out of all of them. They kind of go downhill from here, but yeah.
The next album cover I'm going to be recreating is Billie Eilish. It's pretty like loco. It's kind of like intense. We're gonna try and recreate that. No promises that this is going to look good. But we got our vibe, the Billie Eilish pose. She looks pretty dead, so.
So this one is the worst of them all. I completely forgot that I had the retouch app, so I decided to get rid of Billie Eilish, let's color her in, and that'll get rid of her. But then I decided, hey, let's put myself on top of that, and then it just looked like white, and then I tried to like blur it all out. I colored in my eyes when I could have done it a lot better than that, and it made it look really, really, really creepy. I decided, hey, I need to make white sweatpants, but I don't have white sweatpants, so we'll color it in white a bit, but it doesn't look good. I tried to blur out all the coloring that I did, and the final product was not the best. Was 10 out of 10 not thriving, but it is what it is.
So we're going to be doing Drake's album cover, Nothing Was the Same. I don't know our luck. I don't know how well this is gonna go. But we can pray for the best. So I'm just gonna put on like a low cut tank so that you can't see it when I'm taking headshots. So I've just changed into a bikini top to take these ones. So I'm gonna take it I'm gonna take it on my good side so that I can flip it if it's like not the vibe that we're going for. So
this one was pretty alright, to be honest. I liked this one. I also decided to color out Drake when I easily could have just retouched him, but that's fine. I got rid of his little symbol as well. Then I got myself and I added some artistic oil features, filter things to it so that I could look kind of cartoonish. Got rid of my strap by coloring in the skin and then blurring that out. Decided, hey, I'll add my own little logo as well to fit it in. Then we went into airbrush and we did all the blurring. So I do all my blurring and stuff in airbrush because it's just easier. Got rid of, well, not really got rid of, tried to blur out the coloring in of Drake. That one thing in front of my face annoys me, but the final product isn't too bad, to be honest.
So next one is actually really cute. I really like this. This was requested on my Instagram. I don't know how to pronounce it. Solange, but it's a seat at a table, the album cover. I don't have any like hair clips, so we're gonna be using pegs for the clothesline. Okay, so I could only find 4 pegs. So we're gonna be using pegs and my oily straight hair. So I'm thinking, sorry, I'm gonna be looking at the viewfinder now. Like that. That's cute. It's a very neutral look. She has her hair over her shoulders.
This was one of my favorite ones, to be honest, out of all of these. I wish I'd heavily edited it a lot more filter-wise to make it match a lot better, but it's not the worst. I do like the pegs. It's kind of weird, but I really like this one.
The most amazing, iconic album cover there has ever existed to mankind. KK Slider. If you guys don't play Animal Crossing, what are you doing with your life? Really addicted to it when I first got it. I've got my medication. It'll be fun to try and recreate this beautiful album cover with the one, the only, Josie Mitchell. Here she is in all of her glory. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy. I'll see you later. Bye!
Yeah. Oh, tell me I'll be better. We were just kids sneaking into Coachella. Oh, tell me I'll be better. Always been a joker like you know I'm Heath Ledger.